Meaning of grossly.
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 Grossly. Grossly is an adverb that means something is done in a very obvious or excessive way, generally considered to be unpleasant or undesirable. For example, using grossly overweight suggests that someone is extremely overweight and their weight is likely detrimental to their health. Similarly, grossly exaggerated implies that a claim or belief is wildly overstated. The use of the word grossly often conveys a strong negative connotation and is typically reserved for situations where the extent of the behavior is particularly egregious or alarming.